Hi. This is Jaspreet. Welcome to my tutorial Easy Math. In this video, we will solve another exponential problem.
Time for another exponent puzzle. Let's flex our mathematical muscles and conquer this one effortlessly. To solve the equation, 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 1. We can factor out the common term 4 to the power of x from both terms on the left side, resulting in 4 to the power of x, in brackets, 1 plus 1, is equal to 1. This simplifies to 4 to the power of x, in brackets 2, that is multiply, is equal to 1. Now, let's isolate 4 to the power of x by dividing both sides by 2. 4 to the power of x is equal to 1 upon 2. To solve for x, we need to express both sides of the equation with the same base. Since 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 2, and 1 upon 2 can be expressed as 2 to the power of minus 1. Hence equation is simplified to 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of minus 1. We simplify the exponents by applying a to the power of m and to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 2 to the power of minus 1. If a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then m is equal to n. Hence, 2x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. And, there we have it, another exponent puzzle conquered. Great job working through it together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more math tutorials and problem-solving strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.